Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is your first time stopping by. You are welcome. Kindly give me a follow, subscribe and join the family. To my regular subscribers, thank you guys so much. So in this video we'll be making this beautiful gown. So let's get started. The first thing I did is to fold my pattern paper by 2, as you can see. So once I'm done folding it by 2, next thing that I'm going to get is my starting line, which is half an inch. My starting line half an inch, and I'll connect all those points in a straight line like this. So next thing is to get my bust points, waistline, my hip, and the full length of my gown. Connect all those points in a straight line. My top. So the next thing is to get my neck depth and my neck width. So I'm doing 3 by 2 inches. You can do 3 by 2, you can do 3 by 3, depending on your body size. So this it, and I'll connect it like this. Get my shoulder divided by 2. Then I'll come down by 1 inch. So this is not needed for this style, but we just want to use it as a guide. So I'll get my armhole divided by 2. Armhole divided by 2. This will now be for my chest line. So this will be for my chest line, and I'll connect this like this. So from here I'll be getting my bust measurement. My bust divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance. I'll bring it down to my bust point. Remember, this is my chest line, this is my bust point. So my waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance. So I'm just going to connect this. So for the hip measurement, after connecting this, so my hip divided by 4, then I'll add extra 2 inches allowance, or 2.5, just to have that curve. So you add extra 2 inches for that curve. That's his hip here. So I'm going to connect it like this. Then I'll bring it down. From this neck, I'm going to curve it like this to get this chest line. I'm going to curve it like this. So this is the neck. See, this is what you're making use of. This is not important, so this is what you're making use of right now. So that is all for the front. I'm going to just cut this out now. This is it for the front. So I'm just going to open it up like this, so you see how it's going to look like. So you see, this is it for the front. So I'm just going to use this to trace out the back. This is it for the back. So this is my back, this is my front, which like I said before, I'm going to use the front to trace out the back. So before that, I'll first of all add 1.5 inches for my zipper. And I'm going to connect it like this. This is where I'm placing my front at the zipper line. That's it. The back has no upper back, so I will be coming down from the neckline. I'll be coming down by 8 inches, or you can do 7.5 depending, or you can just use this measurement, which is the chest line, but I want to come down a little bit from my chest line. That's why I am having 8 inches. So I came down by 8 inches, let it in a straight line like this. The next thing I'm going to do is pull my front to get the waist line, and I'm going to connect this in a straight line for my waist, because I want to take out the zip budge. So from here I'm going in by 5.2 inches. So 5.2 inches. So I'm going to connect it here just to get rid of the zip budge. I'm going to connect it here as well. So that is basically all for the back. There's not much work at the back. So I'm just going to trace this out. I'm going to trace it out. Then I'll cut it out like this. So this is it for the front. Label it front, and this is the back, zip, and also back. So I'm just going to open it up like this. You can see how beautiful it is already. So remember, the neck will have the rope, so you cut out as the rope as long as you want. So here I'm done already. I'm done. The zip is inside, you can see, and this is the front panel. So that's basically all for this beautiful gown. If you haven't subscribed up to this place, please kindly give me a follow. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And bye.